Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of woodworking. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to embark on your woodworking journey. In each video, we'll explore a variety of projects that are not only easy to create but also have the potential to generate profit. From understanding the fundamental techniques to exploring creative ideas that resonate with market demands, we're here to guide you every step of the way. In addition to showcasing exciting woodworking projects, we'll share valuable insights on how to turn your passion into a thriving business. We'll discuss everything from efficient crafting methods to effective marketing strategies that will help you build a loyal customer base. Our community is all about sharing experiences, learning together, and celebrating the art of woodworking. So, grab your tools and join us as we embark on this rewarding journey, turning wood into beautiful creations that can enrich your life and your wallet. Woodworking is an engaging craft that allows individuals to express their creativity while also offering lucrative opportunities for those looking to generate income. For beginners, the prospect of creating and selling wooden crafts can be both exciting and intimidating. However, focusing on quick and profitable projects can help ease this transition, enabling new woodworkers to build their skills while capitalizing on market demands. By selecting simple designs that can be executed efficiently, beginners can establish a solid foundation for their woodworking business. Understanding the basics of woodworking is essential for anyone looking to turn their craft into a profitable venture. Familiarity with essential tools, techniques, and materials not only boosts confidence but also enhances the quality of the finished products. Beginners should start by mastering fundamental skills such as cutting, sanding, and finishing, which are crucial for creating visually appealing and durable items. As these foundational skills develop, woodworkers can gradually tackle more complex projects, increasing their marketability and profitability. Identifying a niche market is a critical step for new woodworkers. Conducting research to understand current trends and consumer preferences can provide valuable insights into what types of wooden crafts are in demand. Engaging with potential customers through social media platforms, craft fairs, or local markets can help artisans gauge interest and tailor their creations accordingly. By aligning their products with market trends, woodworkers can significantly enhance their chances of making successful sales. Efficiency in the crafting process is paramount for maximizing profits. Beginners should focus on developing a streamlined workflow that allows them to produce items quickly without sacrificing quality. Organizing the workspace to ensure tools and materials are readily accessible can greatly reduce production time. This efficiency not only meets customer demands more effectively but also enables artisans to take on multiple projects simultaneously, thereby increasing overall output and revenue. Safety should always be a top priority in woodworking. New woodworkers must familiarize themselves with safety protocols to protect themselves while working. Wearing appropriate protective gear, such as goggles and masks, is essential to prevent injuries. Additionally, maintaining a clean and organized workspace minimizes the risk of accidents and creates an environment conducive to creativity. A secure workspace allows artisans to focus on their craft without distractions, leading to better quality products. As new woodworkers gain experience, they often find inspiration from various sources. Observing trends in home decor, attending craft fairs, or browsing online platforms can provide fresh ideas for projects. It's important to remain open to inspiration while also considering the practicality of producing items that can be sold. This balance between creativity and marketability is crucial for achieving long-term success in the woodworking business. Networking within the woodworking community can offer invaluable support for beginners. Connecting with experienced woodworkers through workshops, online forums, or local meetups can provide insights and mentorship. These relationships foster a sense of community and can lead to collaboration opportunities, helping new artisans navigate the complexities of the woodworking business more effectively. Learning from others' experiences can accelerate skill development and enhance overall craftsmanship. Establishing an online presence is vital for promoting wooden crafts. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent venues for showcasing creations and attracting potential buyers. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in customers and create an emotional connection to the products. Crafting engaging narratives about the creative process can further enhance this connection, making potential buyers feel invested in the work. As woodworkers refine their skills, they may consider diversifying their product offerings. Exploring different styles, techniques, and finishes allows artisans to expand their creativity while appealing to a broader audience. Seasonal or themed projects can generate excitement and urgency among customers, encouraging them to make purchases. This adaptability is key to sustaining interest and sales in a competitive marketplace, enabling woodworkers to maintain a steady stream of income. Understanding pricing strategies is essential for maximizing profits. New woodworkers should carefully evaluate material costs, labor time, and market prices when setting prices for their creations. Conducting research to understand what similar items sell for can help artisans establish competitive yet profitable pricing. Transparency about the crafting process and the quality of materials used can also justify higher price points, appealing to discerning customers who prioritize craftsmanship and sustainability. Time management plays a crucial role in balancing woodworking with other responsibilities. Creating a structured schedule can help new artisans dedicate specific time for crafting while ensuring consistent progress on projects. This discipline fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued engagement with woodworking, ultimately leading to better results and increased productivity. Setting realistic goals can also help maintain motivation and drive. As confidence grows, woodworkers may consider expanding into new markets. Selling at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms provides exposure to different customer bases. Each selling avenue presents unique opportunities for reaching potential buyers. And understanding the nuances of each platform can help artisans optimize their selling strategies. This flexibility broadens the customer base and increases overall sales potential, allowing woodworkers to establish a more robust business. Continuous skill development is vital for long-term success in woodworking. Beginners should actively seek opportunities for learning, whether through online tutorials, books, or local workshops. Expanding knowledge of techniques and trends inspires fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting. This ongoing education not only enhances skills but also keeps woodworkers engaged and passionate about their craft, ultimately contributing to their success. Engaging with customers is an integral part of building a loyal following. Encouraging feedback and reviews can provide insights for improvement and help artisans refine their offerings. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful marketing tools, attracting new customers and bolstering credibility. Fostering a sense of community around the brand can enhance customer loyalty, encouraging repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. which are invaluable in a competitive market. Creating a captivating online portfolio is essential for showcasing work. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in potential buyers. Utilizing platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or personal websites allows woodworkers to present their creations in a visually appealing manner. Consistent updates and engaging content keep followers interested and eager to see new projects, driving sales and enhancing brand visibility. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the woodworking tips and project ideas both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to like the video, as it helps us reach more fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Sharing this content with your friends and family can also spread the joy of crafting and inspire others to explore their creative potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects, tips, and techniques that will elevate your woodworking skills. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in our next video as we continue this journey together in the wonderful world of woodworking.